Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Goldstar channel. In this video is the continuation of personal pronouns. Right up. In the previous video, we have talked about the definition of pronouns and of course the first type of pronouns, which is the personal pronouns. So what are the personal pronouns again? They are I and me, you, she and her, he and him, we and us, they and them, and it. Okay? The personal pronouns stand for three persons. Okay? They are the first, the second, and the third. So they are divided into three. So how should we differentiate them? Let's go to the first person. Okay, so the personal pronoun of the first person stands for the person speaking, okay, or talking. It is the person talking or speaking, right? The person doing the talking or the speaking, okay? So that the personal pronouns of the first person are I, we, me, and us. Okay? So I, we, me, and us are the ones speaking or talking. Okay? Now let's go to the next. Okay? The personal pronoun of the second person stands for the person spoken to. Okay, spoken to, the person you are speaking to. Okay, the one receiving the words, the sentences, or what you say. All right, and this is the pronoun you. Okay, person being spoken to. Whereas the personal pronoun of the third person stands for the person spoken of. All right, spoken about, you are speaking of. Okay, this is of, and the second person is to. Okay, so that's where the difference is. And these are the pronouns he, she, it, they, what else? Them, him, and her. Okay? So they are being spoken of. Alright? So again, the first person is the one speaking or talking, and they are the personal pronouns I, we, me, and us. Okay, so let's look at these examples below. Let's use I. Okay, so I will be the one speaking or talking. All right, so I will be the subject. Right, now let's look at the first sentence. I won the prize. Okay, I won the prize. All right, so I here is the one talking, and it is the subject of the sentence. All right, can you follow? Okay, next let's use we. Right, so we will be the one speaking or talking. All right, we went to the church. Okay, we went to the church. All right, here is we. We is the one speaking or talking, so it is the subject of the sentence. All right, now let's go to me. Okay, let's look at the sentence. Joey gave me flowers. Again, Joey gave me flowers. All right, where's the me? It's here. All right, this time it is not the subject. Okay, because Joey is the subject. This is the verb, so me will be the object, okay? Object pronoun, all right? Now let's look at us, okay? The house belonged to us. Again, the house belonged to us, okay? There is the us, all right? So what is the subject in here? Okay, it is the house. And the verb is belonged. Okay, so us is the object pronoun. Okay, so even if me and us are not the subjects of the sentence, they are still the first person speaking or talking. All right, us and me, they are the object pronouns, still in the first person category. All right, now let's go to the second person category, being spoken to, and that is you. Okay, now let's look at the sentences below. Let's read. You are invited. Again, you are invited. Okay, next, what are you doing? What are you doing? So it is a question, okay? But it's yet a sentence. Okay, now let's go to the first one. Let's look at you. You is here, and it is the subject, okay? Right, so you are speaking to somebody. You are talking to the person in front of you, or you are talking to another person, okay? Because you are saying you are invited, okay? Speaking to the other person, spoken to, and that is you, okay? Now next sentence. You is here. Okay, so what is the subject in the sentence? It is what? And the verb, grammatically, the verb is are doing, okay? Verb. And you is the object, okay? Object pronoun, right? So you are asking the other person, or you are asking the person in front of you, what is she or he doing, by using you, all right? You being spoken to, okay? And now let's go to the third person category, spoken of, and they are he, she, it, they, them, him, and her. Okay, now let's look at the sentences. Let's read. He walked the dog. Again, he walked the dog. Next, she studied last night. Again, she studied last night. Next, it is a wild animal. Again, it is a wild animal. Next, they went to the mall. Again, they went to the mall. Next, he guided them to the movie. Again, he guided them to the movie. Okay, next, the map is with him. Again, the map is with him. Next, Jay liked her a lot. Next, again, Jay liked her a lot. Okay, now let's go to the first sentence. Okay, using he walked the dog. Okay, he is here and it is the subject. All right, now let's go to she. All right, she is here and it is the subject again. She studied last night. She is being spoken of, and likewise he here is being spoken of. Okay, next, it is here and it is again the subject. It is a wild animal, so it is being spoken of, it. All right, now next, they is here. It is the subject again. They went to the mall. They is the subject pronoun, and they is being spoken of, okay? You're talking about they. They went to the mall, all right? Now let's go to the next. He guided them to the movie. Okay, we're looking for them, right? All right, them is here. And there is another pronoun he, which is the subject. Okay, guided is the verb and them is the object. Okay, the object pronoun. Okay, he guided them to the movie. Still, them is being spoken of. All right, now next, let's use him. Okay, the map is with him. There's the him. Okay, so the subject here is map and the verb is. So him here is the object. Okay, the object pronoun. All right, now let's go to her. Okay, Jay liked her a lot. Okay, what is the subject? It is Jay and the verb is liked. Her is the object. Okay, object pronoun. Her is being spoken of. All right, likewise with him here, it's being spoken of. Okay, so that's how the personal pronouns are being categorized. Okay, being the first person, the one speaking or talking, and they are I, we, me, and us. Being the second person, spoken to, and that is you. Okay, being the third person, spoken of, and they are he, she, it, they, them, him, and her. Okay, very good. Remember also that we can categorize them as to the following. So, personal pronouns for people, they are I, you, he, she, we, they, me, you, him, her, us, and them. Okay, all of these are personal pronouns for people. All right, and also personal pronouns for things and animals, and they are it, they, and them. Okay, personal pronouns pertaining to things and animals. Okay, so let's just summarize things. Personal pronouns are categorized as to three persons: the first, the second, and the third. Also, personal pronouns for people and for things and animals. That's it. So we are done learning more about the personal pronouns. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stick around for the next video. Bye for now.